MI offering scholarship for undergraduate and class 11th and 12th students. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. Today I am with one more video, and this is a special video because this is the first time I am notifying you or updating you for a scholarship which is from MI. Xiaomi India is offering scholarship for Indian students and more than 50,000 already applied for this. So this is a very nice initiative from MI. So let's look in this video how to apply for this and what is in this program. We all know Xiaomi for its product, electronic, smartphones, laptops, home appliances and many other things. But now MI also offering a scholarship for Indian students, and the deadline of this scholarship provided by MI is 28th of February 2021. So you have a full 1 month for applying for this MI scholarship. So let's look about the eligibility criteria, benefits and the documents required for this scholarship. So the eligibility is, this is open for all Indian national. Applicants must be studying in class 11th and 12th, but in the above it is mentioned also for undergraduate. So let's look in the registration process what it actually needs. Benefit of this scholarship is you got a rupees of 3,800. It is a per month or a per year. It is not mentioned here, but I think it is for a month. So let's look about the documents which is required for applying for this scholarship. So first is your photo identity card like Aadhaar card. And also one more thing which I forget to mention here is the eligibility criteria also here is the 70% marks in class 12th board exam. Now let's look in the document section. It's required a photo identity card like Aadhaar card. After that it required a photograph and also a income certificate, a income proof of your father. And there is a mention that it needs a form 16A which you need to download, and after that you need to submit these forms at the required places while applying for this scholarship. After that it needs a proof of admission in any college, student, university and other. So you can put here university ID or a bona fide certificate. And after that it needs a current academic year fee receipt. And next is bank account details, which is a cancelled check or a passbook. Here you need to put the account details of the bank where you wants the amount of the scholarship. And after that it is required a mark sheet of class 10. And after that let's look about how you can apply. For applying for this scholarship you need to go through the link in the description. When you go through the link in the description you find this tab, and after that you need to just tap on apply now. When you tap on apply now, you need to firstly create an account on Buddy for Study by your email, mobile number, Gmail account and Facebook account, any one of them. And after that you can directly apply for this, and you need to submit or put all the required documents and other things for applying for this. So it's an easy way for getting any scholarship, not a very difficult task to do here. And after that we are going to see more about this, if what are the selection criteria for this and other things. So the selection criteria is on the basis of the academic merit and also financial background. And after clearing the first stage, in the second stage there is a short interview, a telephonic interview from MI, so that the final candidates they select, and after that they give a scholarship to those students. So after that you also wants to know some details more about this. So if you have any doubts about this scholarship, you just put your questions here on the Buddy for Study website, and also you can put the comments on the comment section of my video so that any viewer which knows about that can answer you. So this is a very nice chance to get any scholarship from MI. Must apply for this and also share with your friends so they also get benefited for this program. Thanks for watching.